Hey guys, Andrew at Impress Computers. Today what we're looking at is just going to be a mid-range AutoCAD device for one of our clients. Well, we're going to put in a nice 4000D airflow. We got that label from Corsair. We're going to put in an Intel 7 chip. We're going to put that 12th gen in, the top end that you can get. 12th gen board Z690. We're going to put an RTX 2060 into the device along with the 650 watt power supply. That's going to be a gold label, PNY 500 NVMe drive, and don't forget the cooler is going to be a nice Corsair label to complement the case, just because it's such a big case, one of the best on the market. All right, I can't wait to just get to work. Let's do this. Okay guys, what I've got is the final product. Computer came on nicely. Everything's got a warranty just in case for all of you entry-level assemblers. Make sure you have a warranty attached to your components. Everything should come right on in. Cable management was a cinch. Once you have the cooler in place, after everything else goes in, the cooler goes in last. It'll make your life a little bit easier. Just be careful whenever you're pulling all those strings in the back, not to pull too tightly on anything, just because those little bitty strings on those Corsair coolers, those MSI coolers, are very, very delicate. What you want is to extend the lifetime of your device as much as possible. Come in anytime to Impress Computers. We can assemble, we can revitalize if you're running slow or not turning on. We offer those services here at Impress with premium components. All right, y'all, have an awesome day.